So I love batteries. I love batteries. And these fine folks here, AOHI, I don't know how to pronounce it. Never mind. Anyways, AOHI sent me this, and it is from the future. I travel, and this isn't, just realize, this isn't something that you can take on a plane. This is going to be too big. But if you are doing road trips and things like that, especially if you're doing maybe a motorcycle trip and you want to be able to carry something that has a fair bit of juice in it for whatever. You want to charge your little air compressor. You want to charge the cameras that you have in you. You got to charge your phone. You got to charge your laptop while you're out and about. Plus, something that can sit in your tail bag, or you can sit in your tank bag or your saddlebags or whatever, and not take up a ton of room. This may be a pretty good option. Plus, right now, if you subscribe, it looks like you get 10% off your first order. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, these guys sent this to me. This is the AOHI StarShip. Oh yes, 2-in-1 40,000 milliamp hour PD 3.1 140 watt power bank and power station. 140 watt, which is awesome because you'll have no problems charging a laptop. And at 40,000 milliamp hours, that's probably enough to fully charge most laptops. Plus, if you're charging things like whatever, GoPros, Insta360s, your phone, these things are charging, I don't know, 20 milliamp hour or something like that. Some of them are faster because they have quick chargers in them, but you'll be able to charge a whole bunch of these. And you may even be able to use this. This is my thing that I a lot of times do. I'll a lot of times bring a lot of small batteries with me, and I'll use those in the hotel and stuff like that because they're small. I don't necessarily want to take them out. But when I start the day, I will take whatever batteries have discharged, and my thought is this will go in my tail bag, the trunk, and I can plug anything, including the smaller batteries, into this and have this charge those, because a lot of times those are only 10,000 milliamp hours. So I can charge 4 of those, and then at the end of the night, just charge this back in at the hotel, and I'm good to go. Anyways, this is the Get Your Travel Bundle deals free gift while in stock. That's cool. You get a portable bag. I don't know if I got that or not. 40,000 milliamp hours, huge capacity. PD 3.1, 140 watts. That's sweet. Charging station plus power bank. So awesome. Maximum 140 watt output and input. That's awesome. So it should charge pretty fast. And an LED display screen. StarShip. World's most powerful 2-in-1. That is awesome. This was a Kickstarter. Right? Let's see what else they say here. Charging station, yeah. Intelligent power distribution, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A output port. 140 watt fast input, which is awesome. And now realize too, like if you have a laptop that's using 140 watts and you plug something else in, it's going to probably, subtract some of that. But anyways, this is the box. It's very sleek. It's very Starship, right? Very Starship, just like the name of it, I guess. I like a good box. This opens somehow. I'm guessing this is ready. I'm gonna bring this back. I'm guessing. Oh, come on now. And if you do it properly, I kind of got to use my arms. If you do it properly. This, I guess, is supposed to only go to the air, because if you go too far, it's just goes. But look at that. That comes out. Nice. You got a little sticker thing at the bottom here. I guess this whole box can come out. You got, I don't even know. This is like the manual is on the side there. Another manual on the side here. Cable and manual at the bottom. Oh, it gives you a little, it's at the bottom. You have to figure out how to get this, because I want it's in the bottom. Aha, see? In the bottom. That's smart that they said that. I'm just going to take that out and put that back in, because now it's not in the bottom. What a fantastic, cool little box. Okay, so you get, of course, inside here, this is going to be, and they give you a nice long cable too. That's good. You get a little manual, which is awesome. This is the Future StarShip 40,000 milliamp power bank. Sweet. Nice cable. Yes. 140 watt cable, which is great because, you have to make sure you have a cable that's capable of that. And that is dead sexy. It really is. Is this like the whole display? Is that the whole thing right there, a display? I'm curious. I'm curious. I'm plugging this in because we're going into one of these. I don't even know. And one of these is going to be an in, I'm guessing. Maybe both of them are in. Click. Anything? Help if I turn that on. So there is a little display right there. And it does say, you kind of have to look at it straight on. It does say that I'm currently at 26% power. And what's also really cool about it is, and again, I don't know if you guys can see this, is that, come on, you gotta work with me here. If you plug it in, it actually says on the side, again, it's not overly bright, and I want to make sure I'm plugging this into that right spot, is that on each of the ports, it looks like it says, it actually says what the wattage is that's coming in or going out of that port. So that's kind of cool. So do I have anything here? Probably not. Well, I have this right here. This could use some charging, possibly. Just plug that in. We got little chargy lights going on there. And yeah, it lights up right there, saying that it's coming out at 12 milliamp hours. That's cool. You guys, it's I would love to see the screen be a little maybe brighter, possibly. Oh, I think that's my in. So let's try that again. Anyways, we had an out. In. Let's see. Maybe not. There's a button on the side here. I'm guessing for things that don't need. And I'm not showing any out power, which is good. But I'm also not seeing this plugged into the actual charger. So that's because there's something wrong with me. Yeah, let's plug that in. I want to see that light go green. There it is. And there we go. Again, you really have to look at it like so. Right now I'm getting 63 out of this charger, which seems about right. I think it's a 60 watt external, 60 milliamp hours, I mean, or 63 watts. Yeah. So that's awesome. I love it. I do. Just realize this is the charger for the battery on the bottom. This is all the outs. So you have your USB-A and you have your two USB-Cs. 140 watts total. It seems like a lot of screen for what is only a little bit of screen. But I'm hoping you guys may be able to see that. I'll zoom right in. It does have the information there. I do wish it was a tad bit brighter. I do. I don't think there's anything on here that you can pull. Oh, there is. There's a cover. There is a cover. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that'll help. Let's see. I'm sure maybe it helps a little bit, but it's still. I'd like to see that brighter. But that's nitpicking. And honestly, if it was darker out, then it would probably seem fine. Anyways, this is the AOHI StarShip 2-in-1 charging station. This is 100% coming with me because 140 watts in and out. I can charge this no problem at night. I can plug in a bunch of stuff to the back. And if you're smart like me, what happens is you'll a lot of times plug in almost like a USB charger into these so that you can charge a bunch of stuff off each, because I don't need 140 watts out of either one of these, not even like 60 or 80 watts to charge my action cams and things like that. So having a battery charger, I can plug all the batteries in, plug it into one of the USB-C ports. I'm good. All right, guys, check them out. They have it seems like a pretty good deal right now. I'll leave links down below. It's $199 as of filming. All right, links. Check it out. See you guys next video. Later.